motivation to get your to-do list done, or you just want to see some of my home go from messy to clean, this video is for you. Today we are doing a clean with me video. Let's get to cleaning. And while I clean, I'm watching Alexandra Buter's Overboard Christmas Decorating 2024. I love when I'm filming a clean with me while watching somebody else's clean with me. It just feels, I don't know, it's like, it's good vibes. Okay, let's get going. Once you finish cleaning a space and you go to light a candle, oh my gosh, that is one of the most amazing feelings. Obviously, we didn't finish cleaning the whole kitchen, but I thought it's a little treat for cleaning off the island and wiping it down. We get to light a candle. Now moving over to the other counter, I am removing all these cans from this bag. As you can see, we have a lot of canned goods after this shopping trip. I've really been trying to add more beans into my diet, so it's a lot of beans. I got some corn. I actually found this like bean chili recipe online that I'm really excited to make. I'm still deciding what I want to make for Thanksgiving. Last year, Tim and I actually hosted Thanksgiving for our families and it was a lot of fun. But this year we're going to be going up to his mom's house, which I'm really excited about. So it'll be really special. My family is actually coming as well, which will be amazing. It doesn't happen every year, but I always really cherish the holidays when we're able to have both my family and his family together. So it's going to be really special, but I'm still debating whether like what additional food I want to make. Obviously I'm going to help with the actual cooking on Thanksgiving for like the main course, but I kind of want to bring something, whether it is like a chili or some sort of a banana bread or pumpkin bread, or I don't know. I just want to think of something fun to make. So if you have any ideas, like any go-to Thanksgiving recipes that you make or food items, I'm not asking you to put a whole recipe in the comments, although if you have a good one, share it. But like a go-to meal or dessert or appetizer or something that you make on Thanksgiving. Also, this is me trying to figure out if the dishes in the dishwasher are clean or not. I hadn't started the dishwasher last night, but I guess Tim had and I didn't realize it. So I opened it and I'm like, these don't look dirty, or don't look dirty, but like I didn't start it. So I smelled them and then I realized, oh, these are clean, nice. And so now I'm putting them away. Okay, now moving on to the hallway, there were just some random things on this little side table or console table. Clearly, as you can see, I do need to organize those drawers, but we're doing that a different day. Right now, I just put the stuff in there. And then over to the living room, there was a lot. Like it feels messy, but then it wasn't that messy. I don't know. You ever feel like that where it seems like there's stuff everywhere, but then when you actually go to clean, you're like, oh, okay, this isn't actually that bad. I feel like probably the space that you're stressing over cleaning right now is going to be like that. And once you start cleaning, you're going to realize that it won't be that bad. Also, some more festive talk. Obviously, you can only see a tiny little bit corner of the tree, but I think you can tell it's not fully decorated yet. That is something, well, originally we were going to do it in this video, but we ended up it's not in this video. However, the next video, it will definitely be done. I'm really excited for my next video. It's going to be different activities and ways to like really get in the holiday spirit. And obviously decorating a Christmas tree is a great way to get in the spirit. So that's coming up, but felt so good to finally have the living room clean. Well, hello there. As you could tell, it is much later. The office has been a mess. It's a huge mess, but we have the best baby ever right there to help us get through cleaning this, because the last thing I feel like doing right now is cleaning this office, but I know tomorrow me is going to be so grateful. I think it feels worse than it actually looks, to be honest. Finished putting all my fall stuff away. I've got some more pieces and I grabbed some bubble wrap because we're going to wrap that up. The desk is a little messy. We also still have not decorated the office for Christmas, so we got to do that. I don't know if we're going to do that today or not, but hi. Are you perfect? Are you perfect? This is one of my microphone covers. I don't know why that's there. Oh, because I had my camera stuff out, that's why. Let's get to cleaning. This was me realizing there was a spider there. It actually was a decent sized one, but fun fact about me, any size spiders, they're not my cup of tea. I despise them, to be completely honest. I don't want to hurt them, but I don't want them anywhere near me. So whenever I find one in my home, it's got to go. I got to get it outside. And I found this little like contraption off Amazon. Such a lifesaver. You just place it over the little guy, then you slide the bottom down it, and then you can just bring it outside and be like, all right, bud, you're free to live your life, just nowhere near me. I don't know why, but I felt weird doing a close-up with a spider in it, so this was after I already put him outside. But if you're like me and you do not want any spiders or bugs in your home, but you also don't want to hurt them, this is perfect. And to bring in the festive theme, I feel like it's also perfect as a gift if there's somebody in your life who you know is like not a bug or a spider person. This is a perfect gift to get them. This clean with me is just giving me so many gift ideas. That like black pad thing that I'm wrapping up is a heating pad, and I think this would make a great gift for you or for somebody else. But not only is this amazing when you're just, maybe it's that time of the month and you're feeling kind of crampy, this thing is awesome. But also when I'm working in the winter and it's cold, obviously I turn the heat on, but I find that this is really great to just place on my lap. And if I am a little chilly, it warms me right up. Like even if it's not that time of the month, it's just a great way, kind of like a heated blanket, but a mini one. So if you work at an office or someone who goes into an office who is always cold, they could bring this, and it's kind of like a subtle thing that you can put under your desk on your lap and it will warm you right up. Hello. It is currently 6 p.m. on Saturday, November 16th, and instead of going out to the clubs and partying, Callie and I are about to clean the bedroom and do some laundry. Tim is currently in the bath, so when he's out, we're gonna find a movie and just chill, but the bedroom is really messy right now. Can you see? There's just a bunch of stuff everywhere, so we're gonna clean it up because I don't want to have to clean tomorrow morning. I really don't feel like cleaning right now. I'm honestly exhausted, but I'm going to because I know I'm not gonna want to do it tomorrow. Also, how adorable is my outfit? I got it from TJ Maxx.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey.
Also, if you're like, Kat, you look like really glammed, not glammed, but like, I don't know if you can tell, I have fake lashes on. Is it kind of falling off? This one's kind of popping off. I only did like a half of one. Tim and I went to a birthday party earlier today, a 30th birthday party. So that's why my makeup and hair is done. We're literally just about to get in the bed to go to bed. I'm not even gonna make it. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm very happy that like it's the majority of everything is put away. I mean, everything is put away. I hope this could give you some cleaning inspiration. We hope this could give you some cleaning inspiration. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video.